In today's video we're looking at experiment sheets. I mentioned these when we looked around one of our physics labs, and these are something we started doing a number of years ago. We used to rely on textbooks that had explanations of practicals with equipment lists, but we don't use textbooks much nowadays. Courses don't come with them. So I started taking photographs of our equipment and writing my own equipment lists, an aim, equipment, safety, method for each of our demonstrations. And this is particularly important if they are demonstrations that have been invented in-house and we have built our own equipment for. So I have these laminated copies that can go out as a reminder for teachers and technicians when they put the stuff out, how to set it up, quickly how to do the practical or demonstration. We have them on a shared digital resource as well, so they can be updated easily. And we've got almost 300 of these now just for physics.